another one. This one has 2 scenes, a forest, and a thing. I believe it's the stickers. Yeah. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of it. The pack. Okay. This time I got Tepig, Snivy, one of my personal favorites, Cyndaquil, and a starter I actually have used, Turtwig. Now, I'm sure this would be worth some money. So, yeah. But I'm glad I have some packs to open more. Walmart tonight was Dry County. I'm not kidding, it was Dry County. Anyway, y'all, quick pack opening. By the way, it says I got this number 3, number 2. I have another number 2, so I'm gonna save that one as a collectible. Anyway, y'all, peace.